Are you looking for ways to tighten sagging breasts naturally without surgery? In this video, we're sharing simple yet effective tips that can help you achieve a firmer, fuller bust line in the comfort of your own home. How to tighten sagging breasts fast and effectively. Achieving a firmer bust naturally can be done with just a few consistent practices. One effective method is through gentle massage with herbal oils. Massaging the bust area helps to stimulate blood circulation, which can improve skin elasticity and support the firmness of your bust. By nourishing the skin and underlying tissues, regular massage helps you maintain a more youthful and lifted appearance. Including these massages in your daily routine can gradually improve your bust's volume and tone. Common causes of sagging breasts you should know. Aging. As you age, your skin loses elasticity, which can lead to a sagging bust. The natural decrease in collagen and elastin, essential proteins for skin firmness, causes the skin to stretch, affecting the bust line over time. Weight fluctuations. Significant weight loss or gain can cause your skin to stretch or shrink rapidly, weakening its ability to snap back. This can lead to a loss of firmness, resulting in a less defined bust. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnancy brings changes to the body, including an increase in size. After childbirth and breastfeeding, the bust may lose volume, leading to sagging as the skin and tissue do not always return to their original firmness. Genetics. Some women are more prone to sagging due to their genetics. Inherited traits such as the natural structure of connective tissue and skin elasticity can determine how your bust changes over time. Lack of support. Wearing poorly fitted bras can contribute to sagging. If your bust isn't adequately supported, the ligaments in the chest may stretch, leading to a decrease in firmness. Herbal oil for breast growth and size increase. Big B36 oil is a powerful natural solution that helps improve the appearance and firmness of your bust. This herbal oil is designed to nourish and tone the bust area, promoting elasticity and reducing sagging. By massaging it into the skin daily, Big B36 oil supports the natural firmness of the breasts and improves your bust line over time. It's a safe, non-invasive way to improve your curves and maintain a youthful, lifted bust. Big B36 oil FAQs, usage, benefits, and more. How should Big B36 oil be used for optimal results? For the best results, gently massage Big B36 oil into the bust area in circular motions, ideally twice a day. Consistent use for at least 3 months can help improve the appearance, firmness, and elasticity of your bust. Is Big B36 oil safe to use? Yes, Big B36 oil is made with high-quality natural herbs and oils, ensuring it's safe for regular use. It's a gentle, non-invasive product with no known side effects when used as directed. What are the main benefits of Big B36 oil? Big B36 oil helps nourish and tone the bust area, promoting firmness and enhancing the appearance of your curves. It supports skin elasticity, reduces sagging, and helps maintain a youthful, lifted appearance with its natural herbal ingredients. Can Big B36 capsules be used with Big B36 oil for better results? Yes, using Big B36 capsules along with Big B36 oil is recommended for optimal results. The capsules provide internal nutritional support, while the oil works externally to nourish the bust area, promoting a firmer, more youthful appearance. Best foods to firm sagging breasts naturally. Soy products. Soy is a rich source of phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. These can support hormonal balance and promote a fuller and firmer bust by encouraging tissue growth and skin elasticity. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and cashews are packed with healthy fats, proteins, and vitamins that support skin health. These nutrients help maintain the elasticity of the skin, which can contribute to a firmer bust. Flax seeds. Known for their high lignin content, flax seeds also contain phytoestrogens that help boost estrogen levels. Regular consumption can improve your bust's fullness and firmness by promoting healthy tissue growth. Olive oil. Rich in monounsaturated fats, olive oil helps keep your skin nourished and hydrated. The antioxidants in olive oil also protect the skin, contributing to a firmer bust by maintaining skin elasticity. Eggs. Full of high-quality protein, eggs play a crucial role in building and repairing tissues. Protein supports muscle and tissue development, which can contribute to a fuller and firmer bust. Avocados. Packed with healthy fats, avocados help keep the skin smooth and supple. They also contain antioxidants that protect and nourish the skin, supporting a more toned and youthful bust line. Pineapple. Pineapple is high in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen keeps the skin firm and resilient, and consuming pineapple regularly may help maintain a firmer bust. Spinach. A rich source of iron, folate, and vitamin C, spinach supports overall skin health and muscle tone. Including it in your diet helps keep the skin around your bust area firm and well-nourished. Chicken. Chicken is an excellent source of protein, which helps promote tissue growth and skin repair. By supporting collagen and elastin production, chicken can contribute to a firmer, more defined bust line. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. This vitamin helps maintain skin health and promotes the production of collagen, supporting a firmer, toned bust. To naturally achieve a fuller and firmer bust, follow these foods along with using Big B36 oil regularly for 3 months. This combination will help improve your curves and boost your chest volume, giving you noticeable results over time. To improve your bust's firmness and achieve a fuller, firmer bust line naturally, try Big B36 oil from naturogain.com. It's a gentle, effective solution for enhancing your curves at home. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Coming up next, eat these foods for bigger breasts. How to grow breasts fast naturally.